Could Samsung's upcoming Galaxy phone be the slimmest premium model ever? If you've been following the latest leaks, you may have already seen glimpses of the upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge. A new video has recently surfaced offering an even clearer look at its design, though it's important to note that this video features a dummy unit rather than the actual device. For those who aren't familiar, these dummy units are plastic models used in stores to show off the general look and feel of a phone before it's released. While this isn't the real phone, it still provides us with some important clues about what Samsung is planning. This is not the first time the Galaxy S25 Edge has made an appearance. Samsung briefly showed it off during MWC 2025, but that was more of a showcase where the phone wasn't available for hands-on testing. At the time, we got a sense of its overall shape and size, but thanks to this new dummy unit video, we now get a closer look at some of its finer design details. What stands out the most about this phone is just how thin it is. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 Edge will be just 5.84mm thick. This is an incredibly slim profile, especially when compared to the bulkier designs of most modern smartphones. For people who prefer sleek, compact devices, this could be a major draw. Not only will it be easier to hold, but it could also be lighter and more comfortable to carry in your pocket. However, getting that thin design comes with its trade-offs. The most notable sacrifice here is the zoom camera. Unlike other high-end Galaxy devices, the S25 Edge will not have a telephoto lens for zooming in on distant subjects. Instead, the phone will stick to a dual-camera setup on the back. The primary camera will be a powerful 200MP sensor, while the secondary lens will be either a 12MP or 50MP ultra-wide camera. The camera bump itself appears smaller in this dummy unit compared to previous models, suggesting that Samsung is working hard to keep the overall design slim. On the inside, the Galaxy S25 Edge will likely feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is the same powerful processor found in the other Galaxy S25 models. So even though the camera system is slightly toned down, the phone will still offer excellent performance and speed. The display is expected to be a 6.7-inch screen with a sharp 1440 resolution, ensuring that the visuals will be bright, clear, and vibrant. Just what you would expect from a Samsung flagship. The exciting part is that we don't have to wait much longer to see the Galaxy S25 Edge in action. Samsung has confirmed that the official announcement will take place on May 13. If you're eager to get your hands on one, the phone will be available in South Korea starting May 23, with a US release following shortly on May 30. So it's just a matter of weeks before we get to see this phone up close. One thing that remains uncertain is how widely Samsung plans to release the phone. As of now, we know it will be available in South Korea and the US, but it's possible that more countries will be added to the list depending on how much demand the device generates in the early stages. Given the unique nature of the S25 Edge, it wouldn't be surprising if Samsung eventually expands its availability. What do you think? Would you prefer a thinner phone and forego the zoom camera, or would you rather have a bulkier device with the extra lens for more versatile photography? If you're looking forward to learning more about this phone and other exciting Samsung releases, make sure to like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Excitement for the iPhone 17 series is growing, and new leaks suggest some long-awaited upgrades that could make a significant impact. Apple has stuck with the same 12-megapixel front-facing camera since the iPhone 11, but if recent reports are accurate, that may finally change. Rumors indicate that all four models, the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max will come with a new 24-megapixel selfie camera. If true, this upgrade could dramatically improve image quality, making selfies sharper, increasing detail, and enhancing performance in low-light conditions. For those who use their iPhones for social media, video calls, or vlogging, this could be a game changer. A higher resolution front camera means Apple can take its computational photography to the next level, refining features like Smart HDR, night mode, and portrait mode. Even after cropping, images will retain more detail, ensuring a noticeable difference in quality. Beyond the selfie camera, Apple may also be upgrading the telephoto lens on the Pro models. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max could replace the existing 12-megapixel telephoto camera with a powerful 48-megapixel sensor. This change would not only improve zoom quality, but could also introduce 8K video recording to the iPhone lineup. Apple reportedly tested 8K recording on the iPhone 16 Pro, but had to abandon it due to hardware limitations. With a higher resolution sensor, this feature could finally become a reality, making the iPhone an even better tool for content creators and professional videographers. Under the hood, performance improvements are expected across the lineup. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max may be powered by Apple's new A19 Pro chip, paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM. This upgrade would provide faster speeds, better efficiency, and improved Apple Intelligence capabilities. Meanwhile, all iPhone 17 models are rumored to include Wi-Fi 7, a feature previously limited to the iPhone 16 Pro. However, the iPhone 17 Air is expected to be the only model using Apple's in-house C1 modem, which was first introduced with the iPhone 16e. Another surprising rumor involves a shift in Apple's material choices. Typically, the Pro models receive the most premium materials, but this year, Apple may take a different approach. Reports suggest that the iPhone 17 Air could feature a titanium frame, while the Pro and Pro Max models might switch to aluminum. This would be an unexpected move, especially since Apple heavily promoted titanium as a luxury feature when it debuted on the iPhone 15 Pro. If Apple does make this change, it could indicate a shift in design strategy, giving the Air model a unique premium identity. In addition to these changes, speculation about a foldable iPhone continues to surface. While there is no confirmed launch timeline, multiple leaks suggest Apple is actively working on the project. Some reports claim Apple is testing both a compact, clamshell-style foldable and a larger book-style device similar to the Galaxy Z Fold series. While the foldable iPhone remains a mystery, the fact that leaks continue to emerge suggests steady progress behind the scenes. While these rumors are exciting, it's important to remember that nothing is official until Apple makes an announcement. Some of these upgrades, like the 24-megapixel front camera and the A19 Pro chip, seem highly likely based on Apple's usual upgrade cycle. However, the claim that titanium will be removed from the Pro models in favor of the Air model is harder to believe, considering Apple's recent marketing strategy. What do you think of these rumored changes? Would a better selfie camera or 8K video recording make you more excited for the iPhone 17? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to stay updated on all the latest tech news, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications. More updates and leaks are on the way, and we will see you in the next video. Smartphone cameras with advanced image processing and AI-based enhancements. An iPhone Air might not feature the same camera hardware as the Pro models, but it could still offer a high-quality main camera with computational photography features. A dual-camera setup with a wide and ultra-wide lens would be a logical choice for a device focused on portability. Apple has a history of refining its products with each iteration, and an iPhone Air would likely introduce new materials or design techniques to reduce weight while maintaining durability. The use of titanium or a more lightweight aluminum frame could help achieve this balance. The display technology could also be improved, potentially incorporating LTPO panels for better energy efficiency. Some analysts remain skeptical about the possibility of an iPhone Air launching this soon. Apple typically unveils new iPhone models in September, making a mid-year release unusual. However, the company has surprised consumers in the past with unexpected product launches. If an iPhone Air is not announced at this event, it could still be in development for a future release. While many expect Apple to announce new MacBook Air models with M4 chips, the possibility of an iPhone Air is generating significant excitement. A device that focuses on thinness, efficiency, and portability could attract users who prefer a sleek, high-performance smartphone. If Apple does introduce an iPhone Air, it could mark the beginning of a new product category in the iPhone lineup. Apple's teaser has successfully created anticipation, and the official announcement will reveal whether the speculation is correct. If the company introduces an iPhone Air, it could set new standards for lightweight flagship smartphones. Until then, consumers will have to wait and see what Apple has in store. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.